Y'all, you know what's interesting? Those of you that are believers, like myself, the Bible talks about in Genesis chapter 1, verse 29, it talks about He gives you every herb um, bearing seed, the trees. That way you can replant and you're able to produce food pretty much. Think about all the food that they sell that says like seedless. And it's crazy because a lot of the seed packets, which I never understood, they say like non-GMO on the seed packet. Why would you need to put that on there? And then when you grow it and then you open it up and there's no seed, or you have no seeds when you go buy your food at the grocery store, how are you planting something with the seed but it doesn't give you any seeds? Y'all don't think that's strange? I personally don't buy anything else. I used to years ago, that was seedless, but that doesn't make any sense. It's not inconvenient to me to have to spit out a seed or remove it. It's actually like a treasure for me. If I find the seeds, I dry them out and I save them and replant them the next year. Think about that. They make us think it's such an inconvenience for you to have to pull out seeds, that they sell it to you. But what is in that food that doesn't have seed? Y'all thought about that? So yeah, I wouldn't buy anything that is seedless. I would try to buy heirloom. That way, it's been grown for years, especially in your area. It is tried and true. All right. So I would definitely buy more heirloom type vegetables and herbs. What is it, buddy? All right. And then that way, a little bit more of what you're growing and you're eating. All right.